say we want to add a new language to our store and also translate these variant swatches. So these are called variant image swatches, and these are being provided by our Shopify app, which is Rubik Variant Images. I'm founder and developer of this app. And basically how this works is it's showing whenever we are clicking on any selected variant, it's showing only relevant variant images. So if I click on yellow, it shows yellow. And now in this video I will show you how can you add translations here. So first of all, on my store I don't have any other languages. It's only at the moment only in English. So I go to settings and languages, and I can add here another language. So let's say I will add here German language. So next, and yes, I can use it in United States market, and let's also publish it. Why not? It's just a test store. And next, Shopify is using this app called Shopify Translate Adapt. This is actually one of the great apps of Shopify, one of the free and great apps of Shopify. A lot of good reviews for this app, and this is the default app they suggest to use. So as a next step, what we can do on our page now, if I refresh the page, we will be able to change the language. Okay, I changed the language, but still a lot of things are changed here. Add to cart, like these are changed, but my options are still not translated. So it's here also, it's saying color, but it should say color in German. So let's go and see how can we translate this. So first of all, let's close the settings and let's go to product. When we open our product, under more actions, we see localize. And then here we can translate many things about the app. So for example, here we can translate all the product options, and we can use actually auto translate feature, and it will translate it for us. Let's wait. Yeah, I don't know German, so I hope these are correct. I will trust AI here. We don't need to translate this actually. I checking everything. So what doesn't need to be, yeah, I think it's like bag part is being translated as well. But yeah, what we wanted to achieve is to translate option name and option values. So let's save it. And now let's go to our page, and we just need to refresh page. And as you see, all the options now are showing the correct names, and option name as well as changed. So Rubik Variant Images basically supporting the default Shopify app, and you can translate all the options by using the app. And you can translate everything also. In case okay, let's show this example as well, because this can be a little bit confusing for people. So here sometimes Shopify may have metafields as an option. So there's an option here to connect this to metafields. So if we connect this to metafields, and all these colors are supported. Now if I go to the page again, this is, yeah, I see it's still supported. So probably these metafields are also supported like this, but normally we can also translate these metafields as well. So how to do that? Let me show you this actually. So in Translate and Adapt app, we have these meta objects, and in the meta objects we have all this, as you see, green actually in German, how it should be translated. I don't understand how it's at the moment is actually working. Is it coming from cache or not? But normally it should not show translated names. Maybe it's supporting German by default, but for some other languages I have seen it was different. So I just want to test here something, if I can override this actually. Green in German, let's just say, yeah, green in German. Just to test this, I want to see if we can override this. Maybe has some yeah, I can override actually these translations, but it's also translating by default, so that's also a good option, and it's possible to override it as well. So that's how this works. And yeah, if you need some help, please feel free to reach out to us from Rubik support, and we are happy to help. Have a great day.